everybody. It's Seth Jones, Editorial Director of Landscape Management Magazine. I'm at 2025 Equip Expo in Louisville, and there's only one place to start the show off, and it's at the John Deere booth. I'm with Luke Gribble. Luke, talked to me about you got some new machine, Z998R, and you guys are hyped about it. You got an awesome setup here, interactive. What should we know about the machine?
Yeah, well, good to see you, Seth. This is the place to be, as always, at Equip Expo. But yeah, this is kind of our debut model right here, the Z998R, the biggest and baddest diesel mower that's in the John Deere Z9 lineup. But outside of that, 43.5 horsepower, 100-inch wide cutting deck. It's going to be impressive. Folks are going to want to see this machine. But there's a lot of, I'll say, fundamental differences in this product that are not on other products and not actually out there in the market today. So the big thing with the wing decks, obviously they're folding up and folding down. What makes these really unique is that there's E-cut components in there. So these are electric motors and electric lift actuators. What that actually does is allow you to mow in multiple configurations. You want to mow with just this wing deck and not have the others on, you can do that. You want to fold both of them up and keep that one on in the middle, you can do that. That's something that's very unique in the industry. The lift actuators allow you to raise and lower easily, so if you do find yourself going into an object or something, it's very easy to control it right from the center console there on the machine. So very unique aspect right here. Another thing is that there's a lot of what we call smart settings on this machine. So this is actually a drive-by-wire electric system instead of a mechanical controlled system. That allows us to, one, operate the motors and the lift actuators independently. There's a what we call load match mode, meaning if you're going through a thick area, the blade tip speed will actually speed up, automatically slow the machine down so you maintain cut quality as well. No operator effort required for that, which is pretty unique as well. If you want to go into the touchscreen monitor, set settings about prioritizing productivity, efficiency, or cut quality, basically slowing the machine down when you're operating, you can do that on the machine as well. That drive-by-wire steering too, transmission, throttle, it's all integrated into the controls. There's no other knobs, there's no other levers. In fact, when we really showed this machine off to a lot of customers and even internal employees, everyone asked, where's all the buttons at? So it's really easy for operators to get familiar with the machine, feel like they can kind of hit the ground running and go from there.
So Luke, what I feel like mowing is getting smarter each year, but the machine is staying simple.
Yeah.
Is that fair to say? Like, because like you say that there's less. So like if you get a new guy starting on the job, this is a big machine. This is an expensive machine. You don't want him to mess anything up. So you've kind of taken out some of the. You foolproofed it in a sense. Yep. Talk to me about like this system right here with the different heights and whatnot. It looks. I'm looking at it and I'm like what's my operator going to do with that?
Yeah. So actually, that's probably the I'll say last, but just as important piece. The operator station is completely redesigned. Air suspension seat, which is not on any of our mowers. This is a new height of cut system, so it's very simple. Just pull the pin up, put it into place, and that's what's going to set your mowing height. There's actually a toolless design on these wing decks as well. You unscrew both of these, adjust it by spinning it around, and that's how you get your height of cut on the sides too. Again, simple. It's a smart machine, but that's the part of it. We know that labor is a challenge. We want to make it easy for folks to feel comfortable to get their operators on the machine. Make sure the operator's comfortable because you're going to be mowing over very large areas, probably a lot of potholes, ditches and stuff. You're not going to feel that on this machine. So it's going to keep that operator happy as well. And again, very productive since it is an easy machine to operate.
Okay, cool. Well, Luke, I'm going to jump up here in the seat. They got an interactive thing here at the show. You can see what you're doing. So I appreciate you showing me this machine, and we're looking forward to seeing it out in the field.
Yes, we as well.
Okay, everybody, this is Luke Gribble. I'm Seth Jones. We're at Equip Expo 2025. Thanks for watching us on Landscape Management TV.